Search engine optimization. Why your business needs this. Today's business websites are all about lead generation, which means you need to build more traffic. If you show and say the right things, it will become your #1 customer acquisition tool. Our experts can give your business the visibility it needs using state-of-the-art techniques and well-rounded knowledge of Google's algorithms. We will not only stay on top of tracking their signals, but deliver a constant flow of traffic. We have social media optimization specialists in every reach of social media marketing, from development to creating your social profiles through to monitoring and consultancy, to help you keep the conversation on the right track. We will work in partnership with your team through your site's process, starting with your website audit, comprehensive keywords research, all the way to creating unique content. Our SEO professionals can help you record the best results. Call us today about our SEO service packages and start your journey towards success. What can you expect from our SEO services? Search engine. Our professional SEO team can improve your search engine optimization at every stage, from creating and implementing a strategy for a new website to monitoring existing content to identify improvements. On-page optimization, landing page optimization and analysis, site speed optimization, business profile creation,